If your iPhone charger is not working properly, it may be due to dirt or corrosion on the tip. Fortunately, you can clean the connectors on your charger using common household items. To do this, gather a Q-tip, rubbing alcohol, a toothpick, a towel, and your charger. Dip the Q-tip in rubbing alcohol with a high alcohol percentage, preferably 99%. Rub the charger tip with the Q-tip, applying some pressure if needed. Use a toothpick to remove any remaining residue or corrosion, being careful not to damage the gold connectors. Dry the charger thoroughly and then plug it into your phone. If it starts charging, you have successfully cleaned your charger. If not, try cleaning it again. You can also use a solution of water, baking soda, and white vinegar or lemon juice to clean the charger. Scrub the charger tip with the solution, remove residue with a toothpick, and then clean it with water. Dry the charger and try plugging it into your phone again.